what's up? It's me Aarti and we drive away the Monday blues here with some affordable fashion that we talk about on this channel. But before I start off this video, अगर आप लोग इस चैनल पे नए आए हैं, I make videos about fashion, food and wellness. So अगर आपको ऐसे वीडियोस फ्यूचर में और देखने हैं, quickly go hit the subscribe button, उसके बाजू वाली घंटी दबा दीजिए so that you do not miss out on the updates of my videos in the future. तो आज के वीडियो के लिए बाकायदा एक पोल वोल हुआ था जहाँ पे मैंने पूछा था कि आप लोग ये वीडियो देखना चाहोगे या कोई और ये पोल हुआ था मेरे कजिन्स वाले व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. Where I have a lot of younger cousins and so they keep looking for styling and wardrobe advice and exactly 3 of my cousins said yes we want to watch it. तो मुझे मतलब हाँ बोलना ही पड़ा. So today's video is how to wear your skirts as dresses. जैसे मैं पहले भी बोल चुकी हूँ, you know, if you know how to mix and match the same kind of clothes or wear the same kind of clothes in a lot of different ways, you can create a lot of different looks. और फिर आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है. That's exactly the point of this video. So quickly go pick up a skirt and try these looks as I try them in front of you on this video. Let's get started. जिसमें से मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 4 या 5 लुक ढूंढ के निकाले हैं. अगर आप लोग और भी ट्राई करें तो उससे और भी बहुत सारे लुक्स इजीली बन सकते हैं. If you guys end up doing this experiment and wearing any of your skirts as dresses and use my tips, upload those pictures, tag me in your pictures. मेरी सारी social media handles नीचे description में Facebook का अकाउंट है, Instagram का अकाउंट है. You can find me anywhere, follow me and let me know that you've tried it. I would love to see it on you guys. And with that, it's an end to today's video. But आने वाले Wednesday को do not forget to tune in because it's the last episode of exploring the chai cafes around Mumbai. जहाँ पर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कहाँ थी one of the best chais that I have had in Mumbai. And now I'm going to go and see you guys real soon. You guys do not forget to keep it spunky, keep it real. Bye bye.